Well, the conflict isn't just confined to Israelis and Palestinians. It is also impacting Christians in the Holy Land. As Domonkos Pulay from EWTN reports, the Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem is bringing awareness to the conflict.
After the 7th of October, our world changed completely.
Cardinal Pierbattista Pizzaballa, the Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem and former Franciscan Custos of the Holy Land, visited Hungary on the state's invitation. During his trip to the Central European nation, the Cardinal gave a lecture organized by the Hungarian Franciscan Order at Pasaret Community Hall in Budapest, titled "The Situation of Christians in the Holy Land." The Patriarch was elevated to the rank of Cardinal by Pope Francis just 1 week before the terrorist attack by Hamas on Israel last October. Shortly afterward, he gained worldwide attention in the media for publicly offering his life in exchange for the Israeli children taken hostage in the Gaza Strip by Hamas. The church official, having lived in the Holy Land for over 34 years, in his lecture conveyed to the Hungarian audience that following the terrorist attack, Gaza has undergone a dramatic and devastating transformation.
More than 60% of the houses are being destroyed. All the infrastructure, water, electricity, communication, there is simply nothing.
Cardinal also stressed that in the current conflict, not only Muslims and Jews are affected, but all the remaining Christians living in northern Gaza are facing deeply distressing circumstances. The number of Christian victims in the region has exceeded 20. Through collaboration with Christian charitable organizations like the Hungary Helps program, the Patriarch is actively engaged in delivering humanitarian aid to the communities, utilizing diplomatic channels.
I never saw in all my more than 30 years in Jerusalem, I never saw such deep and strong hatred between the two peoples.
Cardinal Pizzaballa said he and the Christians living in the region find themselves caught in the crossfire of the conflict. Both Israel and Palestine express anger, alleging that the Patriarch has not condemned the serious actions of the opposite side with the necessary words, a claim that, according to the Cardinal, is untrue, but says, amidst heightened emotions, it becomes challenging to discern a more rational voice.
What Hamas did in the 7th of October is unjustifiable, and also the killing of 20,000 Palestinians is not understandable. We have to say this, but we have to find a way to say this as friendly as possible and with the attitude of not just to remain there, accusing one and another. Is not a question of balancing the words, but to find a way to get out from this situation and to open perspective for both the peoples.